Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset your graphics card driver on Windows 10 or 11. First, open the search bar and type Device Manager here, open it, and then click on Display Adapters and again click on Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. From here, right click on it and uninstall this device and click uninstall from here. Now go to your web browser and search for NVIDIA and Intel drivers. Well, if your GPU is NVIDIA, then search for NVIDIA. For me, I'll be using the NVIDIA app. Once downloaded, open the software and go to the driver tab here. And now you can from here you can download your driver. Click check for updates. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Once the drivers are updated, simply restart your laptop or PC to complete the process. And that's it. Your graphics card driver is reset and updated. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.